Oh man. Oh shit. Oh snap. I just did this. Well, yeah, guys, Todd Wagner. This is my TED Talk. Yeah, just look at some pictures, Just some great picture right there. Dogs. Sheesh. But, oh, bro, who is this? Damn, Mike Kukowski. Okay. Well, Mark Miller. Hey, yeah. Oh, AP. What's the clean picture right there? Clean, clean. Mike Trubisky. Packers losing right now. 20-0. But Cam Superman. Ooh, the boy said Quan Barkley. Oh, baby. Oh, hey, that's crazy. Oh, Cheetah got me some good points.